Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Into the World of La Jess. Salut tout le monde! Bon retour pour les anciens et bienvenue au nouveau. Into the World of La Jess est là pour vous aujourd'hui avec une nouvelle vidéo. Surtout ne quittez pas. Et si vous êtes nouveau, abonnez-vous, likez et partagez. Today's video will mainly be in English. So, all my French speakers, everybody on this channel speaking French, there are subtitles for you guys. Today's video will be me attempting to make on myself Distressed Faux Locs. I'll use Marley hair, Marley reggae twist red hair. That's it. This is the packaging. Let's do this, guys. As you can see, my hair is parted already. If you really can't, just ask somebody to help you. Just wanted big squares, not too many braids, and yeah, that's it. I'll use elastic bands. Again, it's not going to show, believe me, so whatever color, it's not going to show. I also have some jewelries that I'm going to put on my hair. I have this rope, also have these ropes. I'm going to use a crochet. That's it. The advice I'll give you is to really moisture your hair. It's going to stay locked for a long time. I really need to store food in there so that they will not go hungry. Tip number 2 is to leave your hairline out. You don't want to pull it. And the tip number 3 is that you can use this hairstyle whatever your hair type is. Another tip is you don't want to dye while being beautiful, you know, so don't hesitate, make it loose. You don't need to make it so tight that you can't think straight. I'll use the crochet braids that I took down a few months ago. Since I did this way, now I'm going to do the other way. Okay, let's go. Just for security's sake, I put back another elastic band. I've got 4 packs of this Marley hair. So you grab your hair. You don't need to take it in the middle. I advise you just take it here, almost at the end. Not too tight again. You want it to be as loose as possible, but still beautiful. I'll wrap like 2 times at the same place just for me to ensure it's tight. The wrapping process could be annoying. I don't like those very light tips, so what I'm going to do is putting it back up like so and wrapping back up. So I do one last wrapping, one more a little tighter, and I get back up. Wrap. The good thing with this hair is that it's going to help me lock it nicely and secure the whole braid. And now I can move back up.